Inside of this box is the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined. But first, I need to tell you guys about the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined giveaway. That's right, I'm giving away a pair of Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagineds to one of my subscribers. All you guys need to do to enter this free giveaway for a pair of Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagineds is smash that like button. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what size you need. Take a picture, take a screenshot, DM me on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Send me proof that you guys subscribed to my YouTube channel. Good luck on this giveaway. This giveaway ends at the end of this month. The giveaway winner will be announced here on YouTube the beginning of February. So make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. And don't worry, I will be giving away multiple pairs, more giveaways on the Bred 4 Reimagined coming, so make sure you guys subscribe. Now, let's get into this unboxing of the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined, and I'm going to tell you guys right now, these are going to be a big, massive problem. Finally, we have a sneaker that is going to be a problem. These are going to be a massive problem come release day. Take a look at the size tag. There's a look at your label. They did give us the original colorway. The sneaker is exactly the same, except for the huge change that we're going to get into. I'm excited to look at these. These are crazy. These are going to be a must cop. I already know it for most of us out there. If you guys plan on copping a pair of the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined that do release on February 17th, retail $215. If you guys plan on copping a pair, please comment down below in the comments section a bunch of fire emojis. If you guys plan on passing on the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined, please comment a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who's going to cop the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined and who's not. Wow. Holy. I am speechless and mind blown. The Bred 4s are back. They're back just 5 years later, this time with the reimagined theme, but no aged effect. A big switch up of material once again. They did it with the Royals, and they give us suede. This time, we have leather on the Bred 4. The leather Bred 4. So many people have made this a custom. There's a lot of fakes out there way before this sneaker was even thought of with Jordan Brand. A lot of fake companies were making Bred 4s with leather. A lot of customizers were doing it. Nike, we see you. We know what you did. We know where you took the inspiration from. It's very, very obvious. They, honestly, in my opinion, took the easier route. I'll say that when it comes to doing this. I'm going to say it. Is it a bad change? No. Is it a good change? I think so. I will say this. If this released back in 1989, if this was the OG with leather, nobody would be complaining whatsoever. We'd all be thrilled. Right? I think a lot of people are happy. I think a lot of people may not be so happy about the material switch up because it's not the OG like it is with that new buck. And I'm going to do a comparison video. I have a bunch of comparison videos coming, so make sure you guys stay tuned. We'll take a look at these, comparing these versus the SB4. I'll answer that question for you guys in an upcoming video. Is the shape, is the comfort the same as the SB4? We'll find out in an upcoming video. We'll take a look at these as well, comparing them to, of course, the OG. I do have the 2019 pair. We'll do comparison videos. So if you guys want more content on the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined, make sure you guys are subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Hit that like button. Let's get this video up to 500 likes. And, of course, make sure you guys let me know down below in the comments what size you need because I'm giving away a pair. So make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. Smash that like button, subscribe, and DM me on Instagram, DannyMoore2369, with proof that you guys subscribed. These are crazy fire. I'm telling you guys, these are great. I'm happy. I'm very happy. The leather quality, I do want to show you guys the leather, how premium it is, to be honest. And I will say this, it's soft and it's thick. It feels like a thick leather on this. I'm going to take the paper right out. This is my personal pair. These are going right on feet very, very soon. I'll be wearing them a lot. So yes, a wear test video will be coming on the Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined. Let's take a look at that leather. Look how soft it is, and it's thick. I'm going to push it together. It's thick. This is some thick leather. Thick leather. I have to give a huge shout out to Chicago Imperium. That's where I purchased this pair from. If you guys would like to purchase any early sneakers, make sure you guys check him out. I'll pop up his Instagram, and make sure you guys click the link down below in the description. I'll leave his link down below for you guys. Check him out. He, of course, is the plug, so make sure you guys check him out for early, 100% of course, authentic sneakers. You're paying over retail, but on this sneaker, I think it's going to be worth it. There is going to be resell. I'm going to tell you guys right now, there's going to be some profit. We're going to see everybody and their mother come out to play with these. Nobody is going to be sleeping on this release. Do not sleep on this release. These are going to have some resale value. They're going to go for some money. Around $300, I'm guessing. I almost dropped the shoe there. I'm guessing around $300. That's my guess. And I do think, yes, we're going to see them go up. We're going to see these go up. You know, a lot of sneakers nowadays aren't really going up in price, but I do see this Jordan right here going up. Very simple, yes. Why? It's the Bred 4, and, well, it's wearable as can be. These might be more wearable, to be honest, than the Air Jordan 4 Bred, the OG. Let me know your thoughts on that down below in the comments because of that material switch up. It's drastic. We do have a black Nike Air hang tag instead of orange, so they switched it up a little bit. We do have a Nike Air on the inside and your traditional Jordan 4 Bred outsole. Nike Air on the back. They did a great job. The shape is a little different. We'll get more into that in the comparison videos. Make sure you guys smash that like button and make sure you guys subscribe. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. The Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined is here. Fire. Straight fire. Thanks for watching, guys. We out.